Good morning, everyone. We are out prospecting again today. We're closer to the headwaters of one of our placer deposits. We're seeing if this creek feeds the other one with some nice gold. So we'll do a bunch of pans today and see what we get. First pan of the day. Just looking for any signs of gold right now. Alright, let's see if we got anything here. A little bit of black sand. Not seeing anything too crazy though. Let's move on. So we moved up a little bit. You can see over here you have a pretty big quartz vein running underneath the water level. Continues all along over here. You got some quartz exposed there. Maybe some calcite. They're heavily oxidized, the veins. Not really any way to get a sample unless we want to get soaked at this moment. It's about 4.5 feet deep right now and too steep on the other side to make it, so we'll see if we can find any more of these in the creek, and we'll continue on panning. Alright, so my prospecting partner managed to make it over there. He does crazy things when he's left unattended, so I don't know how he didn't fall in the water. So we got a sample from there. We'll send that in for some testing. See what comes out of that. I'm finding a lot more rocks with lots of oxidization, and you got some pyrite and like what looks like some free mill gold under a jeweler's loop, so we'll take a look at those a bit further too. Alright, so we just took a look at these 4 rocks here. They're all different kinds of rocks found amongst the creek. This one right here is from the vein across the other side of the creek. We looked at them all under a jeweler's loop, and you can see this one right here. You have a metallic metal right there, metallic looking color. That's actually chalcopyrite. So you know you have some kind of chalcopyrite deposit somewhere in this creek. Whether it be small or big, we don't know. Then here, you have a pyritic metal, most likely fine grain iron pyrite. And this is actually in your host rock. And then your veins contain little blebs of sulfides as well. So this is in contact with your vein right here. Over here, you have all these little rusty patches, which is oxidized. So those are now your oxides. and we couldn't really tell exactly what it is with the jeweler's loupe, but it is some kind of metal in there. Then your last one here is the most interesting. You can see all these little tiny little dots, and that is most definitely free mill gold amongst your rock. We confirm that by looking under the jeweler's loupe. So we're going to send this sample in for fire assay for gold and see what we get out of this. So that confirms that there should be gold somewhere on this creek. So we just hammered that one open. You can kind of see the gold there, a little bit there, but this actually does also have silver in it. It doesn't look like it's any kind of sulfide, doesn't look like iron pyrite. Looks more like native silver to me, so could be a gold and silver deposit. We'll confirm with the assay.